Hi everyone, this is Debbie here. Welcome to Southern Delight. So glad that you tuned into my channel today. I was doing a really neat little segment here. I'm doing some party food ideas for Easter. These are just a few that I've played around with some extra time that I had this weekend. I thought these were really neat and would be great for a little if you have a brunch going on, or you need some little appetizers, or have some sort of little Easter party and you have family over. And these are even fun recipes. These are really great for the kids. This one right here, I actually was planning to do like a, when you're having an Easter brunch, you can do like chicken salad in these. You could do pimento cheese in them. You could actually do peanut butter and jelly for the kids. So that's just one little idea that I thought was really neat for Easter. And all I had to use there was a cookie cutter in the shape of a bunny and cut out the bread, and the rest is up to you, whatever you want to put in it. You know, you can buy the pimento cheese already made up, use a homemade recipe, use peanut butter and jelly, or do your own little chicken salad. This was another one for like a great little pizza party idea if you're having the kiddos over and you need something really fun and easy. This one is just made with some pepperoni that's rolled up in mozzarella cheese. That little bunny is made out of pizza dough. You can buy that already made pizza dough in your grocery store, or you can make it homemade. That's entirely up to you. Just cut it out into thin strips and rolled them up into the shape of a bunny and let them bake. And then I put some butter and garlic on the top of them and let them bake, and then put some mozzarella in the middle. Added some marinara sauce, and then we have a pizza party, which the kids really love this. I used to, when my son was really small, we used to just get in the kitchen and just play around with food and things like that, which now he's all grown, so I tend to get in here, I guess you could say I got an empty nest syndrome, and just start making all these cute little ideas. And I thought these would be really fun for Easter. Just wanted to pass those along to you. So I hope you're enjoying these, and if you are, if you'll continue watching me and click that subscribe button, because I have plenty more in store. Next, I'm going to be showing you some cute little Easter decor that I have going on. But until then, see you later.